Hello guys, welcome back to the video. And today we're playing chapter 10. I'm so hyped. If you are, smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and turn bell notifications on to never miss another video. Now, so Piggy's really on right now. So intermission. Okay, nice. But first, let's check the new skins. Cause I think they're new. There's some new skins. Yes, we have Mimi. Oh, she's fire, dude. Now we got Doggy, Foxy, Bommy. Oh, we got Robbie. Robbie. Dude, that's so cool. Okay, now let's actually play. Small chapter. Dude, look, like, I, I just, the teaser we got is Mandy Mouse, you know? No, player, or bot. Dude, no, not trader. Not trader. Oh, there we go. Player. Dude. Oh, well, I'm picky. Nice. Okay, so here we got the cutscene, though. They ran this way. Why would they hide here? I believe the one that's fight was George Pig, but I'm not quite sure, guys. So here we go. 9, okay. It's one of my favorite piggies, but I think it's gonna be Robbie, but I just have to say enough piggy things, piggy coins, to go. Um, Dude, this is so fun. I never played the map before. Well, actually, I have. One time I was recording and the light went out, so my computer. Okay, there you go. I just placed it once. Okay. Oh, this is the mall, dude. Hello there. Um, well, you're gone. Okay. But oh, this is like the teaser we got. Like the staircase, you know. Dude, come on, let me go. There we go. Right now they're stuck. You're stuck. Oh, there's a plank. What? There you go. One. You gone? No, I can't. I wish that Minnie Mouse was available as a skin. That would be fun. Oh, come on. There he is, guys. She's crossing the bend. But I don't know why sometimes she gets stuck. Okay, let's search around. There's no one in here, right? Okay, they just unlocked the door. I think you can jump high with Piggy. I'm not quite sure. Hello there. How did I not get her? Whatever. No, I got stuck in the thing. Okay, there's 3 guys. But the overall, this map is really cool, you know? So one of them went there. Which she probably gonna get killed by Mandy. Oh, AFK player. So that's good because I get them at Piggy points, you know? Hello. No, dude! You're so lucky! Dude. Yeah, I have the egg trap. Because I like the noise it makes, like. But there's a new trap though. It's called Black Hole. I never tested it out. But that's Mandy Mouse. I think she got out. Just double check. Yeah. Let's go. Ka-ching! Oh yeah, she moved. Where are you guys? I'm gonna find you. Okay, they haven't gotten the situation. That's good. Hello. Wait, what? Okay, then it drop off, so I'm gonna surprise. No, they keep unlocking doors and stuff. Come here, dude. There you go. Okay, come on, come on, come on, dude. There you go. Come here, boy. Come on, come on. Absolutely. Oh, but one guy killed my Mandy. That's the Mandy jump scare. Dude, I got scared for a bit. It's so loud. So the girl, I believe she got killed by Mandy Mouse. Because I'm not 100% sure, guys. Anyone? Just keep getting things. I'm gonna surprise. They go slower with the trap. Yeah, they go slower, so I can. Okay, bam. Dude, we're gonna get so much piggy points because I have double piggy points. Because it's quicker for me and you guys. So about 7 minutes. If I make this video 20 minutes, I will make it 20. No, dude, I will make it 20 minutes or more, just to, just for you guys. And I have to edit it, but that's really not much of a deal for me. Yeah, my mic, my dude, I'm trying to film a video in this car. It's like, dude, what the heck? What? Oh, there you go. Okay, there's, I believe, one. Yeah. Hello, my man. You like my egg traps? Mm-hmm. There you go. Yes. Let's go. We have 250. Is that enough? For Mimi. Yes, it is, guys. Dude, let's go. And there is the new trap, right? Black hole traps. Ooh, you get two of them. What did they do? Like suck you in, kill you? But if you get in premium or buying Robux, make sure you use code bacon. It really helps me out a ton. Okay. Wait, this guy names ooh 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 ooh. Nice, nice dude. So right now we have the Mimi, player obviously, player or bot, bot. Bots. Yes. So the bot is not as good, but there's gonna be two bots, Mindy and that thing. They run this way. Okay, we saw the cutscene though. Comment down below if you like my skin. Okay, that's the mall. Come on, come on. Dude, okay. Go, 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 go. Okay, nice. Go, go, go. We have Mandy knocking. Okay. Just like Okay. We need a red key. Okay. Nothing's here. Oh, there's grass. Okay. Okay, you got the grass. Nice. Nice grass. Okay. We need you guys to open the door. Pig has woken up. You sure? Okay. Go, 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 go. Oh, dude, I thought I died. Okay, Pig is gone. They opened that. Okay. But, no, we're missing the red key, though. You got the red key? No. Where is the red key? Dude, I'm gonna try glitch. Dude, but seriously, where's the red key? Robbie is insane, though. Dude. Run. What? Dude. Okay, guys, we're back. Okay. I don't know how he got me, but, okay. So they have opened this stuff. Okay, let me check. Red key, that was, have they grabbed the yellow key, though? That's my question. Go. Okay, they have. But, let's see how much power there's. Okay, green key. They used that. Okay, another coin. Okay, a guy just got killed. No, that's not what we got, guys. Dude, go. I, I don't really understand. I'll be right back. I really don't know how I keep dying. Hmm, come on. I really don't want to be Piggy. Okay, so we want all chapter 10. Chapter 10, dude. What is this? Dude, if we don't choose chapter 10, what is wrong with them? I'll do another video tomorrow because I have another video for you guys planned. But I'll maybe I'll do another video me escaping. Obviously, it's just gonna be the cutscene when you end. Not infection. No, not infection. Okay, thank God it's not me. Dude. Oh, but they don't have traps. Let's go. They don't have traps. So okay. I just wanna like at least escape in this video. If I don't, I'll do another one. Come on, dude. Go. Okay, so yellow's not here, which is kind of rare. Okay, I got blue key, which that goes on top. The blue key goes there, but we need the plank. Okay, and Piggy is, okay, this is a red key. I really don't, well, okay, guys, I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna go restart my computer because I don't know why it's working, but we got, hello, my friend. Huh. Dude, let's go, okay. What? Well, that was quick. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna change something real quick. Oh, okay, guys, I changed my skin. Maybe go give more